In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert pictures in PowerPoint. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. When you're ready to add an image to your presentation, the first thing you want to do is navigate to the slide where you'd like to place your picture. This could be anywhere in your presentation, perhaps a title slide or even your closing slide. Just make sure you've selected the right one. Once you're on the correct slide, you'll see a menu at the top of your PowerPoint window. Go ahead and click on the Insert tab. This tab is like your gateway to adding various elements, pictures, charts, and even shapes, so make sure you're in the right spot. After clicking on the Insert tab, look for the option that says Pictures. When you click on it, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears, giving you three main choices. The first option is This Device, which allows you to upload pictures directly from your computer. The second option is Stock Images, where you can find high-quality, royalty-free images provided by Microsoft. And the last option is Online Pictures, which lets you search for images online without leaving PowerPoint. Depending on where your image is located, you'll choose the one that fits your needs. For this example, let's say you want to use an image from your computer. Go ahead and select This Device. This action will open up a File Explorer window, which gives you access to browse through your files to find the picture you want to use. Take your time to navigate through your folders. Once you locate the file, simply click on it to select it, and then hit the Insert button. Just like that, your chosen picture will appear on the slide. Now that your picture is on the slide, you might want to adjust its position or size to ensure it fits perfectly with your content. To reposition the image, click and hold on the image, then drag it to your desired location on the slide. If you want to resize the picture instead, click on one of the corners and drag inwards or outwards. This allows you to maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring your image doesn't become distorted. Similarly, you can use the handles on the sides to stretch or shorten the image, but keep in mind that this might distort it, so do it with caution. And that's it. You've successfully inserted and adjusted a picture in your PowerPoint presentation. As you get more comfortable, you'll find that combining images, text, and even animations can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your slides. Experiment with different pictures and layouts to see what works best for your message. If this tutorial helped you out today, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using PowerPoint effectively.